a white back vulture. We've got two of them. As persuasion, we've got the lapels ribbon vulture. One more right up here on the carcass. And we've got one more vulture. This is the white-headed vulture. All these vultures are from Africa. What you see here is a very common sign of how vultures would coexist in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. All those who join us in the live. Right there behind the pond. That is the snailess vulture found in Africa, Europe, and even Asia. Let's watch these players catch it one more time.
Galing, no?
And these are brownie kites found all throughout Southeast Asia. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, after having seen all these birds being flown here today, I'm sure you'll agree with us that it's a clearly deserved and merit the title, the Kings of the Skies.